Whoa, that was intense. Whew. So this is the future, huh? Hope things are better now because, well, 2020 hasn't been great, to be honest. It's not as impressive as I thought. Let's see what's hey, is that Will Smith? Hey Will, hey man, big fan over here, you know. I am Legend, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. But you know, why are you running? Why, what's that? What?
Please return to your home.
What? What? Oh no. No. YouTube, my name is Tony Hernandez, and before the machines take over the world, let's talk about the AI that might take over the photo editing world. Alright, so let's start talking about the AI photo editor Luminar 4. And when I first heard about it, I was a little bit skeptical. And the thing is, I haven't edited photos for a long time, so some of the features Luminar 4 has sometimes tend to become a little bit complex in Lightroom and Photoshop. So I'm going to talk about the 3 tools I think are the most impressive. The AI enhancement, which works on the overall enhancement of the picture. AI structure, which works on the details and clarity. And AI skies replacement, which obviously works on the replacement of the sky. Alright, so let's go to the computer so I can show you how this technology works.
Alright guys, so we have the image here in Photoshop, and we're just gonna go ahead and click filter, and then we're just gonna go Skyloom software, and then click on Luminar 4. Alright, it's loading. Alright guys, so this is the original picture, and as you guys can see, this was a very sunny day, and you can see the saturation here is pretty good on the bushes, and it's pretty sharp over here, this plant over here, the rocks, the water, and you see the mountains. If I were working on Lightroom, I will dehaze the mountains so I can have a better shape, and it doesn't look as misty, you know, like it has like a mist over here covering the mountains. And the sky obviously looks pretty white. All right, it doesn't look blue at all, and trust me, the sky was very blue that day. All right, so here in this right side of the menu, you will find the AI enhancement, AI structure, and the other one, the AI sky replacement, is going to be in the creative area. All right, and the creative area, you click on it, and then you will find AI sky replacement. All right, so let's go back to basics, because AI enhancement, AI structure, and sky replacement were the 3 things that impressed me the most. To me, it was unbelievable, you know. And I'm just gonna show you real quick. I have several pictures here, and I'm gonna work in this one. I'm only gonna work on the AI enhancement in this picture, so you can see the difference on only that tool. You can also combine the 3 of them, you know, to make the picture look the way you want. But for right now, so you can see the difference, I'm only gonna work on the AI enhancement. Click on the tab, and then just go ahead. I usually go 100% because I like to see what changes this tool, this bar is making, right? So alright guys, so this looks pretty good, you know. Right off the bat, this looks brighter, the saturation increase, you know, these rocks look brighter. It seems like it dehays a little bit the hills or mountains. So let's see the before. Alright, wow, look at that. Yeah, it dehays a little bit the mountains. So the sky didn't change too much. So let's go ahead to AI Sky Enhancer, and let's see what this bar will do to the picture. Alright, it doesn't seem like it makes a big difference. You can see like a little bit blue over here, right in the corner, and it goes a little darker, and maybe I see some like grain over here. So in this picture it didn't make too much of a difference, you know, it looks a little bit blue. So let's just go ahead and, I don't know, let's put it on you know, I kind of like almost 100. Let's put it on, 69%, and that's the before and that's the after. You know, it looks better, guys, you know. So it just takes one click to make these changes, you know, play with the bar. All right, you also have these, and you can, these bars, and you can play with it like in Lightroom. For the sake of this video, I am not gonna do that. I'm just gonna stick to the AI enhancement because I do want to show you the difference these three tools make in your pictures. All right, so okay, that was it. Let's apply it. There we go. All right, so we're back to Photoshop, and then you have your AI enhancement. Let's move on to the next picture. Here you can see that it looks misty, you know, it doesn't look pretty sharp, and the sky is a little bit blue. It doesn't look pretty nice back here, you know. So let's go ahead and click filter, and already has a shortcut, so I'm just gonna click there. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna show you what AI structure does, and then I'm gonna combine AI structure with AI enhancement so you can see what these two tools do. All right, so let's go ahead and AI structure, click on it, and then let's go and see what happens if we go down. Well, it becomes blurry. All right, and then let's go put it at 100. All right, it looks sharper, it has a lot of more contrast, more like detail and clarity. The water looks sharper as well, and it's okay, you know. Let's see the before. It worked a little bit on the dehaze, not too much. It seems like it worked mostly in this area over here, and this area stayed pretty like misty. I don't know if misty is the right word, but that's what I'm using. So if I'm saying it wrong, well, I apologize. I'll put a title here correcting the word. All right, so okay, it looks good, guys. You know, it's easy to do. I just move the bar real quick, and it's already working on the contrast, on the dehaze. You know, it looks a little sharper, working more on the details. So I like it, you know. All right, so let's go ahead and work on the structure, and also let's go ahead and work on the AI enhancement and see what these two tools can do. All right. So I like 70%. Let's try the sky replacement. Oh wow, this looks very good. Okay, all right, let's go to structure, and let's go okay, let's go 100%. Let's go back 70, and let's see this boost over here. Wow, okay, 100%. Okay, it's doing that, which is like adding like some more contrast, right? You can see this is a little more sharper. You can see dots here. It's like the sunshine. These kind of lost like color, you know. I would not like it like that. So let's just blur it down a little bit like that. Wow. Well, it looks good, guys. Let's see the before and after. You know, I use the AI enhancement, AI sky enhancement, AI structure, and boost, which are in the same tab right there. So let's see before, after. Wow, before. Wow, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. So let's apply it. It looks pretty good. The sky enhancement worked better in this picture than the previous one. I think these are just reflections of the glass, because I think the window was closed. So I think those are just reflection, but it looks pretty good. All right, so let's move on to the next picture. Okay, I like this one. Let's see what we can do. I'm just gonna copy it because I want to see the before and after over here. I'm just gonna turn that off. Filter. I'm just gonna go Luminar 4. Go ahead, open it up. Alright, so we are here now. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, I'm gonna show you the sky replacement, and then after I'm done doing the sky replacement, I'm gonna work on the AI enhancement and AI structure, because I want to show you how these three tools work together. Alright, let's go ahead, and for that you need to go to creative, this bar over here, click there, and then AI sky replacement. When you open the tab, you see the horizon blending, horizon position, relight the scene, the sky globe. You can remove these ones because first you need to select the sky that you want, right? And you're gonna go ahead and click over here where it says sky selection, and here you can see the Lumina 4 has some skies already, so some presets that you can use. Also, if you have an image, if you have a sky that you want to use, you know, that you purchase or you download from the internet, that you like it and you want to use it, well, you can use load custom sky image, which I can show you right now how to do that. But for now, I'm just gonna use one of their presets that they have over here. All right, so I'm just gonna select the first one, blue sky one. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. That's just impressive. If you zoom in, you can see that is perfectly blended. Wow, you know, let's see horizon blending, what it does. Blending the horizon, go ahead all 200 because I want to see the difference. All right, I see this part over here, it's not blended very well, and then you can just blend it so it looks more natural. Then horizon position, okay. All right, so maybe, okay. This one looks good too, but I kind of like this one, you know, cloudy day. I kind of like this, you know, the cloud is coming out of the hill. But let's just put it back up. There you go. Let's try that out. Let's try this one. Okay. It's like working with the lighting, with the sun. All right. So there's a thing over here. All right. So the sun here is coming this direction, right? That's why this part is so sunny. So you had to make a match, right? Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's try another sky. I don't know. Let's see, maybe bright blue sky. Okay. I don't think that one fits. That one, let's see, dramatic. Okay, you see this one. I don't think this fits this mood over here because the sun is up here, and in this picture you can clearly see the sun coming this way, this part. Or maybe it might work, but I don't know. Let's see. Let's try. You have several. You have sunset, starry night, sunset one. You know, you have different options and they look pretty good. So I'm just gonna stick to maybe sky. Let's see, sky 5. Okay, I kind of like this one, and it had to make sense, right? So if the sun is coming right to left to this side, you just make sure that the sun and the sky is also coming right to left. All right, so if not, what you can do is open the advanced settings, and then you just click on flip sky, and it's just gonna flip the sky. In this case, I don't think this is accurate because in this sky the sun is coming left to right, so I think it's more like this because the sun is coming right to left. All right, so, and you can also move some settings here. Sky defocus if you want to make it blurry. In this case, I'm just gonna leave it 5. I think 5 is good. All right. Okay, now let's go back and do AI enhancement. All right, and then AI sky. You can still enhance the sky that you just added, you know, make it a little more blue. And let's go to AI structure and just go to amount. Let's see. Wow, it's pretty good, guys. So let's check the before and after. All right, so before, after. Wow, just the sky replacement is amazing, guys. See the huge difference. Also, the AI enhancement and the AI structure looks pretty good. You can see the difference in the water, you know, over here on the hills. Looks really good. All right, so let's apply it.
As you can see, Luminar 4 is very impressive. I think this is gonna be the future for photo editing. You don't need a lot of skills or a lot of knowledge in photo editing or photo composition to use Luminar 4. And to be honest, this software is just gonna get better and better. And I know guys, photography and photo editing is a form of art. There's something special, unique, artistic that identifies us when we edit our photos in a rustic way. And I'm using the word rustic to describe the softwares that we currently use to edit, like Lightroom, Photoshop, or any other software that is similar to those. You know, especially Lightroom, you know, in comparison to Luminar 4 that uses the AI technology, it seems like Lightroom is gonna become obsolete in a few years if they don't step out the game, if they don't become or they don't create a technology of their own. Alright YouTube, we have reached the end of this video, of course guys, so let me know in the comments down below what you think of Luminar 4 and if you are planning on using it. So you know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Or not, this is a free world, people. Peace.